हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे डिस्क इंक्रिप्शन एंड वो यूज़ क्यों करते हैं। ओके, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। डिस्क इंक्रिप्शन इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ सिक्योरिंग डेटा by transferring into unreadable code that cannot be deciphered by an authorized person. Okay, you can use disk encryption software or hardware to encrypt every bit of information that is written on the disk. Okay, disk encryption works similar to text message encryption. The use of encryption program for the user's disk, the user can safeguard any and all information burned onto the disk. Okay, and save it from falling into wrong hands. Okay, computer disk is round plate onto which data is recorded and burned. If the user needs to store information on disk and keep it safe, it is recommended that encryption program be used. Okay, encryption software for disk scramble the information burned onto the disk into legible code. Okay, it is only after the disk information is decrypted that it can be read and used. Okay, encryption for disk is useful when the users needs to send sensitive information through the mail. Okay, the users needs to mail his or her friend disk but cannot be take the risk of it being stolen and the information is being compromised. Okay, in this case user could simply encrypt the information on the disk and then rest assured. Okay, even if the disk is lost or stolen, the information would not be compromised. Okay, disk encryption can also be useful in protecting the real time exchange of information from being compromised. Okay, when the exchange of information is made in encrypted form, the chance of the information being compromised are minimized. Okay, the only way the attacker can access the information is by decrypted the message, which can only be done via the authentication process. Okay, the encryption software install one system assure the security of the system. Okay, it is recommended to install encryption software on the system that hold valuable information and are exposed to unlimited data transfer in order to protect the data and information from compromise. Okay, so this is the disk encryption. Thank you for watching.